science called no sense. Called no sense. No sense means no science. The science, so people didn't know how to word, SCIENC, complicated words. Science means, I am not educated. You said science, sense. Oh, sense. So I need to have a sense to live happily, isn't it? I need to have a sense. You said, yes, I need to. Yes, because you are educated, you said science. I said, I am not educated, that's why I said sense. There is no difference. This is all that we need to have. That's what Buddha taught. No, sir, no, I don't know about the science. Who said science? You need to have only sense. What is that sense called? Common sense. Not by great sense, sixth sense, seventh sense, eighth sense of the Wachowski sisters, you don't have to watch. Just all that a yogi has, what you don't have is a common sense. Simple. Common sense. If that common sense exists, that's called a wisdom. Wisdom is not a great thing, comes from the books and you have to cultivate, you have to plow the field to acquire and to grow the crop of wisdom. No, wisdom is all about just to have common sense, not to lose the sense in that moment, that's all. Because many times we lose the sense, that's the problem. New sense, we become a nuisance to others, or nonsense to others. Isn't it? That's why all that we need to have is just a common sense. Science. Don't invent new sense. No one likes new sense, new science. Nonsense, non-science. The science is always a nonsense only, I am telling you. That's why they said sense. So because every day, COVID virus comes tomorrow, another virus, immediately virus will come, the next virus. Again another 2 years you wait, not to be affected. Are you sure? Simply protect your immunity and have now, in abroad in UK or you are in America, you don't have a ginger at home or you don't have garlic at home, now you don't have turmeric at home, you don't have cumin seeds at home, you don't have a long pepper at home. Long pepper protects your immunity, boosts your immunity. Long pepper, short pepper, and you have some caravan seeds, and you have all these Indian spices. Now is the time to buy all Indian spices. And it's not the time to buy expensive vaccines or expensive things. Simple. And buy all Indian spices and make a powder and make a mixture. And so every day, morning, and just put it in the water, boil it, and drink that water, morning, afternoon, evening. I can tell you, no virus will come and nothing will affect you. You will be very safe. Your motion will be safe, and your inhalation will be smooth, and your mind functions properly, and everything will be fine. You don't have to, all that you have to do is only, as I told you, all that science is having common sense. That's all. This much common sense if you have at home, how to use these spices, wonderful. Your spices are not sufficient because in our country the science is so developed. And how to prepare a curry and how to transfer these aromatic hydrocarbons into oil, how to put them in the oil, how to transfer them, fat soluble compounds, liquid soluble compounds. This science of preparing the food and preparing, it has been coming for thousands and thousands of years. That's right. And so what do you need to have? Just an Indian kitchen for you to be a traditional Indian kitchen. If you have and you don't know Indian cooking, not very, again don't go on to anything. Just dump all the spices. In India you have 40 tins with the 40 kinds of the spices. All the spices, and so you try, and there is some spice you don't like it, keep it less. That's all. That is a thumb formula. Anything is exceeding, oh my God, this is adding more hot, reduce it. Oh, this is adding more sourness, reduce it. So your taste will balance, and you make it taste, and then it will protect you like anything. Because they are very powerful, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and so an antimicrobial and expectorant property, and so mucolytic activity, bronchodilating property, and what not. They have every property. The drug which is going to be discovered won't have all the properties. But what the nature has given you at home, each one of these compounds have so many hundreds of protecting compounds to you. That's why always nurture the nature, and to understand the nature, and you have, as I told you, simple solution, have an Indian kitchen at home. That's all. You will survive. And now Indians don't have, unfortunately, Indian kitchen, they have foreign kitchen. We all have now modular kitchens. So German brand, and one French brand, and one Italian brand, one US brand in India. The more I show, now in India, you know what my kitchen? Not what is in the kitchen. You know what is my kitchen? You know it is imported from Italy. It is Italian. And so this is oven, you know. Baking oven. In India, why we need baking oven? Tell me. We have plenty of time. Why we need a baking oven? Fast food is not good. So all that we need is, that is supposed to be, that's coming for millions of years, and now suddenly I change. What happens? My health gets affected. So simply, it's all about having a common sense at the end. So when I say science, don't say Kumar is science. No, Kumar is only teaching you to have some sense, that's all. What you have to grasp is, Kumar is not a nonsense, Kumar is not a nuisance, and he is teaching us only common sense. Always understand what Kumar is teaching is a common sense, that's all, which is lagging today. What is lagging today? Just common sense. Common sense means which protects others, which protects you. That's why it's called common, C-O-M-M-O-N, common, which protects others, which protects you. What acceptable for others, what is acceptable for you, is called common sense. The science which protects you, which protects me. The science which harms you, also harms me. AK-47, no way good for me, it is very expensive for me, and it is also threat for you all the time. When I hold, I am also scared, and you are also scared. It's no way good. It is a science only, but it is not for the protection. So that's why I am saying, the moment if you see a gun in AK-47, do you think you will see this yoga program? Every day, I hold AK-47 like this, do you think you will watch this program? You get scared. That's why. So as I said, it is a common sense, means which protects you, which protects others. That is the purpose, that is how the spirituality begins. The greatest science is the greatest sense prevailing. So